Annie, I'm so tired right now. I stayed up until 2 a.m. watching this cooking show on Douyin.
A cooking show at 2 a.m.? Tim, that's so random.
Not just any cooking show. This guy was making xiǎolóngbāo, soup dumplings, from scratch, and I got completely obsessed. Like, I watched him fold each dumpling for an hour straight.
You know what's funny? I've been living here for 6 months and I still don't know how to say most foods properly. Like, I know xiǎolóngbāo because everyone talks about them. But yesterday, I tried to order noodles and chaos.
Wait, what happened? And please tell me you didn't point at the menu again.
Worse, I confidently said, 我要面条, feeling all proud of myself, but then the waiter asked me like 5 follow-up questions and I just froze.
Let me guess. What kind of noodles? Thick, thin, soup, dry, beef, pork, spicy, not spicy?
All of that. How do you even choose?
对呀, that's the thing about Chinese food. Everything has like 10 variations. It's not just I want chicken, it's what kind of chicken preparation do you want from our menu of 17 different chicken dishes?
Exactly. So I'm thinking maybe we should talk about food today because honestly, I need help.
好主意, good idea. Plus, I'm literally always thinking about food anyway.
This is Everyday Fluent Chinese Boot Camp. I'm Annie.
And I'm Tim, currently craving those 2 a.m. dumplings I'll never learn to make.
Today we're diving into Chinese food culture, but like the real stuff. Not textbook, I like apples. More like help me survive actual restaurants without panic pointing. Tim, can I ask you something weird?
Always.
Why do Chinese people care so much about whether I like their food? Like yesterday, my colleague brought homemade 饺子 dumplings to work, and she watched me take the first bite like her life depended on my reaction.
Oh man, the 好吃不好吃 interrogation. Is it delicious or not?
Yes, she literally asked 好吃吗? And I could tell she really genuinely wanted to know.
It's not just politeness. Chinese people are actually proud of their food. Food is love, you know. When someone cooks for you, they're sharing part of their culture.
That makes sense. So when I say 好吃, I'm not just saying it tastes good.
Right, you're saying, I appreciate what you've shared with me. It's deeper than just flavor.
Okay, but what if something is not good? I can't fake enthusiasm forever.
You can say, 还可以. It's okay or not bad. Way more diplomatic than 不好吃.
还可以, that's perfect. Polite but honest.
But honestly, most of the time, you'll genuinely think it's 很好吃, really delicious. Chinese food culture is incredible once you get into it.
Speaking of getting into it, Tim, I need to learn how to express what I actually like and don't like. Because right now, I just nod and smile at everything.
Smart survival strategy, but yeah, let's fix that. So, 我喜欢, I like. 我不喜欢, I don't like. Super basic.
But 喜欢 feels strong, right? Like, I don't want to sound fake enthusiastic about everything.
Good instinct. If you want to be more casual, just say 我吃, I eat this, or 我不吃, I don't eat this. Less emotional commitment.
Oh, that's clever. So, 我不吃辣的 instead of 我不喜欢辣的.
Exactly. It's more like I don't do spicy food versus I dislike spicy food. Less judgmental.
I love these subtle differences. What about when I really, really genuinely love something?
我特别喜欢. I especially like it. Or if you want to go full Chinese enthusiasm, 我爱吃这个.
That's love. For food?
Chinese people love their food. Literally, 我爱吃火锅. I love hot pot. 我爱吃川菜. I love Sichuan food. It's totally normal.
That's actually really sweet. Food deserves love.
Annie, have you tried ordering delivery yet? Like actual Chinese delivery apps?
Tim, those apps are my weakness. I spend like 20 minutes just scrolling through pictures of food, adding things to my cart, taking them out.
The eternal why am I struggle. Do I want 麻辣烫 or 黄焖鸡 or...
Yes, and then I get decision paralysis and end up ordering the same 宫保鸡丁 I always get.
宫保鸡丁 is solid, though. Safe choice.
But boring. I want to be adventurous. How do you decide what to try?
Honestly, I look at the ratings and comments. If something has like 4.8 stars and people are writing 很好吃 in the reviews, it's probably worth trying.
Smart. But what if I want to ask for recommendations, like at an actual restaurant?
你们有什么推荐的? What do you recommend? Or simpler, 什么好吃? What's delicious?
什么好吃? I like that. Direct and to the point.
Right? And servers usually have strong opinions. They'll tell you their favorites, maybe point out what's popular today.
What about dietary restrictions? I'm not vegetarian, but what if I was?
我吃素. I'm vegetarian. Or 我不吃肉. I don't eat meat. Pretty straightforward.
And allergies?
That's trickier. 我对什么什么过敏. I'm allergic to. But honestly, for serious allergies, maybe stick to places you trust or bring translation help.
Good advice. Safety first with food allergies.
Tim, can we talk about the social side of eating? Because I went to hotpot last week and it was like choreographed chaos.
Hotpot is the ultimate Chinese food experience. What happened?
Well, first, everyone was putting food in the pot at the same time, but somehow there was an order to it. And people were serving each other, but not randomly.
You witnessed hotpot etiquette in action. It's beautiful when it works.
But confusing when you don't know the rules. Like, when do I put my food in? When do I take it out? Whose job is it to fish out the vegetables?
Usually the person who put them in, but honestly, just watch what others do first. Follow the rhythm.
And the serving. People kept putting food in my bowl, which was sweet, but I didn't know how to reciprocate.
That's Chinese family-style dining culture. Taking care of each other, making sure everyone gets good pieces. You can say 谢谢 and try to serve others too.
I tried, but I was so focused on not dropping food that I probably looked ridiculous.
Everyone's been there. The important thing is you were trying to participate in the social part, not just eating.
Right. It's not just about the food. It's about being together.
Exactly. Chinese dining is communal. Food is the excuse, but connection is the point. Annie, what's the weirdest Chinese food situation you've been in so far?
Okay, this is embarrassing, but business dinner last month. Everyone was toasting with 白酒, and I had no idea there was protocol.
Oh no. Baijiu toasting has rules. What happened?
I just clinked glasses randomly, like I would with wine at home, and everyone got quiet for a second.
Yeah, there's hierarchy in toasting. You're supposed to hold your glass lower than more senior people. Show respect.
Nobody told me. I felt so awkward afterward.
But did they explain it to you?
Actually, yes. My colleague quietly showed me how to do it properly for the next toast. It was really sweet.
That's Chinese culture. People want you to succeed, to fit in. They'll help you learn.
It made me realize how much I still don't know about the social side of food here.
But you're learning, and you're trying, which matters more than getting everything perfect.
Tim, I have a confession. Sometimes I still look up Chinese menus on my phone before I go to restaurants.
That's not cheating. That's smart preparation. I still do that sometimes too.
Really? Even you?
Especially at fancy places or regional cuisine I'm not familiar with. Like Xinjiang Cai, Xinjiang food, I need to research first.
That makes me feel better. I thought I should know everything by now.
Annie, Chinese food culture is huge. Regional differences, seasonal variations, modern fusion. Even Chinese people don't know everything.
True. My Chinese friends are always discovering new dishes too.
Right. Food culture keeps evolving. New trends, new restaurants, new interpretations of classic dishes.
Speaking of trends, what's popular right now?
螺蛳粉 is everywhere. This super strong smelling noodle soup from Guangxi. People either love it or hate it.
I've seen that. It smells so unique.
Unique is it diplomatic? It smells terrible, but tastes amazing. Classic Chinese food paradox.
Maybe that's my next food adventure. Embrace the stinky noodles.
加油, go for it. And remember to say 好吃 even if you're not sure.
You know what I love about Chinese food culture?
What's that?
Everyone has opinions, like really strong opinions about which doujiang, soybean milk place, is best, or whether tian douhua or xian douhua is superior.
Oh, you discovered food regionalism. Sweet versus savory tofu pudding is serious business.
My coworkers had a 20-minute debate about it. I just sat there trying to follow along.
That's half the fun of Chinese food culture. The passionate discussions, the loyalty to specific places, the friendly arguments about which way is correct.
It makes food feel important? Like worth caring about?
Exactly. Food isn't just fuel here. It's culture, identity, memory, social connection. It matters.
I'm starting to get that. And I want to be part of those conversations, not just sitting on the sidelines.
You're already part of it. Every time you try something new, express an opinion, ask a question, you're participating.
Tim, 我饿了，
我也是。你想吃什么？
我想吃饺子。
好吃，我爱吃饺子。
你吃辣的吗？
我不吃辣的。
我喜欢辣的。
那你吃辣的饺子。
好的。
And that's it. A simple real-life food conversation in Chinese.
Try with a friend, change the food, change the spice level, and have fun.
All right, everyone. That's our food journey for today. We covered expressing preferences, ordering with confidence, and navigating the social side of Chinese dining.
再见 and remember, 我爱吃中国菜。
I love Chinese food. There you go. Food love in perfect Chinese. And if you want to learn more vocabulary about this topic, feel free to check the PDF below.